Hello everyone, let's zoom out. You're looking at this product right here. I just picked up from Walmart. It's around $11, and it has all these cool features. It has wireless charging, 2 power outlets, USB, and it's modular design. So let's look at this. Here's your wireless charging. If you're going to charge stuff, to remove your case so it could have sit flush and charge. You can put some pens, pencils, whatever here, anything here. You can actually take this out and put it anywhere you want. You can put this on top of here and sit flush like that. So it's modular. You can remove this. You can just unplug this out straight from the wall and plug it somewhere else, and you have 2 USB ports next to you at all times. So that's pretty nice. And I like the color. So if we just zoom out a little bit right here, you see the glow. So let's take my other phone for demonstration. It's charging, so it's red. And all right, you can see right here. So when you're gonna charge, you have to remove the case. Some cases might work, but some hard plastic ones, like the one I'm using for the recording 16 Pro Max, it won't work. So you have to remove the case if you're gonna use it, or you can just not use it and use it as a regular stand. To power this thing, it's not USB-C. It's micro USB. There's a cable that goes behind here. This is micro USB, so it's not USB-C. But that doesn't matter, whatever. And that's about it. So yes, this thing cost me $11. It doesn't feel too cheap, but it feels like it's good plastic. So yeah, this is another desk accessory. So this is the company. This is what it's called. So if you see this in Walmart, you want to pick it up, you can maybe help improve your desk. Take some of that cable management out of here and make it easy. If you like this little video, why don't you hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.